Parrots are one of the longest living birds on the planet. Some species, like macaws and cockatoos, can live for 60 to 80 years. A few have even reached 100. This means getting a parrot is a lifelong commitment. Many parrots outlive their owners and end up in shelters because people didn't plan for that. Their long lifespan comes from a slow metabolism and strong immune systems. In the wild, they stay mentally sharp by solving problems and socializing. In captivity, they need the same kind of stimulation to stay healthy. If you're thinking about getting a parrot, think decades, not years.